Okay, then I'll find it.
Not going to keep getting around this client. We got one more in progress. We'll get a delivery on that soon. You know what? There actually is one that we can. Where'd it go? There was a blog page somewhere. What did I do with it? Oh shit, we don't have a Figma file on that yet. Okay. The tactical pursuit blog page will also go ahead and get done. Yeah. All right. All right. Cool. Yeah, I think we're good for now. And yeah, we'll go. Maybe we'll get you a bunch of pages later tonight. You're a fast worker, man. We appreciate that. It's been a while since I developed who works this fast. And
Yeah.
Tom, tell me, how has the quality been? Have you ever sent a web back to revision?
No, I don't think I've sent one back to revision for him so far.
Nice work, Habib. Well, it's
My
nice to finally
pleasure.
work together, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome,
Sure.
bud. We'll get you some more things. All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
See you later, Vid.
Yeah.
You can leave if you'd like.
Habib, if he's over, you can go if you want.
Yeah.
See you, buddy.
Tom, can we get out of here? Is there anything you need to say?
Oh, did I just get rid of him?
Okay. Bye bye.